Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create custom theme with AI on your Instagram chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages, and I'm going to open one of my room chat here. For example, I'm going to create custom theme with AI for this chat. Okay, we can click on the account's name or the group chat names if you want to create custom theme for your group chat. And then we can go to the theme. And then if you want to create custom theme with AI, you can simply click on create with AI. All right, and then you can describe the theme that you want. For example, I'm going to create theme for the magical forest like this. Okay, and I'm going to click on this icon to generate the theme. Okay, and just wait for a moment. The AI is generating theme for you. Okay, and this is the theme that the AI have just generated for me guys, and I'm going to click on next. All right, and I'm going to click on create. Okay, then I'm going to go back, and this is the result. As you can see that the generated theme with the AI has been applied to my chat. If you want to apply the theme, if you want to create theme with AI on your group chat, you just need to open up your group chat, and then you can click on the group chat's name and go to theme and create with AI. I'm going to create New Year theme. Okay, and let the AI generate a theme for us. Okay, it's almost done guys. We just need to patiently wait for the result. Okay, and then if you're not satisfied, you can click on this option, and the AI will regenerate a theme for you, and you'll be able to apply it to your chat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a theme with AI on Instagram chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.